Hello, welcome to the Carthage College Hedberg Library tutorial on how to use Pubmed subject headings, also known as MeSH. I'm Danelle Orange, and I'm the librarian for the nursing department, as well as biology, chemistry, neuroscience, and environmental science. First, we're going to go to Pubmed. To get to Pubmed, you go to pubmed.gov. And from this drop-down box up here, we're going to scroll down and find MeSH. MeSH stands for Medical Subject Headings. These are very useful when you are having a hard time finding information that is specific enough for your needs. As with our previous tutorials, we're going to use the same term Here we can find a number of terms that might be useful to us. We want to pick the one that is most closely aligned with what we're looking for. So I'm going to pick blood pressure. Here we can see the subject heading, the definition of the term, and a bunch of search builder options with subheadings down here. On the side, we can see the Pubmed search builder. I'm going to pick blood pressure, so I'm going to add this to my search builder. And as you can see, it just shows up here with blood pressure within quotation marks and between the two brackets, MeSH, which means it will look for articles that have the specific subject heading. I'm also going to look for things on genetics. If I add this to the search builder, it will add it with "and." This means that I'm going to look for blood pressure and blood pressure genetics under the MeSH subject headings. Below, I can see alternative terms that will also get me those same results. This means that these terms are linked to blood pressure and can be used within the search engine. Here we can see other terms that might be helpful, including two different MeSH categories, including diagnosis and phenomena and processes. I'm going to pick hypertension. What I can do here is add this term to my search builder. Now I'll be looking for things that are blood pressure genetics, and hypertension. When I'm done adding things, I can just hit Search Pubmed. You notice I have a number of results here, about 1,700, which isn't too bad, all things considered. From here, I can limit my search even more. I can limit myself to humans only, which I'm going to. Didn't assist that much. But this is an easy way for you to go through Pubmed and search more accurately without getting everything that is possibly out there about blood pressure. One good thing to know about this is once you find a good search, you can go to the advanced search. If I want, I can choose this search and then search for medication. And I end up with 58 items. That might be of more use to me. On the side, we can now see all of the terms. And you'll note that one thing that Pubmed does is it links the terms that you use to other terms. So medicine links to pharmaceutical preparations, or medication. That means it's searching across all of these things to look for anything that might not be fully indexed. So this is a good way for you to limit your searches and to get a little bit closer to what you're looking for. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact any of the librarians at Carthage College or email us at help@carthage.edu. Again, Danelle Orange, and I hope you have a nice day.